Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XLT in rapid red metallic with premium black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. This has a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's an EcoBoost and a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a backup camera and sensors, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. It's an easy seat to adjust with manual lumbar and manual sliding forward. You have your lighting controls, high mount light, and your side view mirrors. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. You also have lane keeping. You're seeing the little vehicle in between the lines, and that's what that's for. And then when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little bit of a cubby up here, and you've got your display screen you can touch on. And right now we can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have your climate, and you'll see your dual climate control come up for driver and passenger. As well, you have your settings you can slide through for different options, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. And there you go. And then down below, hazard lights. There's your volume and tuner. Dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as the front and rear defrost. You also have the AC and max AC. There's two 12 volts as well as USB outlets. And here you've got hill descent, auto stop start, locking differential, tow haul, and traction control. There's your 4x4, and in the center is terrain management. When we press that, it'll appear, or terrain modes I should say, is on your dash, normal. Press it again and you'll go into the next one, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and back around again. You have an automatic select shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside you, a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up with just a click, and lots of room down there to put items. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. And in the body there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, and side view mirror. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the Ford badge is your backup camera, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to get into that box, you simply pull the handle on the tailgate. Inside it's nicely lined with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. When you want to bring the seat up, there's a tab on either end. You only need to pull one, and then you can lift the seat right up and out of the way. You've got bins underneath in your jack, and then when you want to bring it back down, pull the tab again, down it goes. And you have carpeted mats on the floor. It also comes with all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a couple of USB as well as a 110 outlet. And then up above there's hooks, handles, and lighting, and in the back access to a rear window that has rear defrost. Body color bumper, mud flaps, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.